1973. Quite a lot was happening. Britain joined the EU, Picasso died, and it was Watergate. There have been a few. Birth of my son. Beethoven Violin Concerto. Bach. I don't like to moan, I don't like to complain. The Godfather. My family. Honesty, generosity, and never ever giving up. Know your place. My parents. Film director. Oscar. I'm reading Jim Fish by my father, brand new book. Sting. I have one brother, I love him to bits. Very. Not crashing. Brahms. Always huffle. What's under my bed? Depends where I'm staying. To watch cricket, to play tennis. It's been a hard day's night. Irish stew. They were just dream parents. Goodness me. Okay, Klaus Maria Brandau, the actor, my father. And my mother, I would say probably Maggie Smith. There are so many. Dietrich Bonhoeffer is one, Gideon Klein, Menachem Presler, to the absolute limit. Knowing what you want to do, never ever giving up, never taking knocks, and getting back up again if you do get knocked. Cheeseburgers. Mendelssohn Violin Concerto. Elgar Concerto, Yehudi Menuhin, Elgar conducting. Doesn't get better than that. I think the future is extremely strong and promising, but it needs lots of people to focus on the next generation and on young people. And if we have that, we'll have a great future.